Aiyo, is your DEEBOT Y1 Pro Plus okay or not? 1 minute is the king of cleaning, the next minute it's acting like it's at a rave party spinning in circles. What's actually happening here? It's not a ghost in the machine, it's the notorious driving wheel error. Here's the fun fact. Many DEEBOT Y1 Pro Plus owners don't realize that their robot isn't broken, it's just one-legged. This issue usually happens because one specific side wheel assembly has checked out early. Whether it's a burnt motor or a jammed gear, it's like trying to row a boat with only one oar. You're going nowhere fast. Wait, I know what you're thinking.
I can fix this law. Watch one video only can already.
Steady, but listen properly. The DEEBOT Y1 Pro Plus is packed with super delicate ribbon cables and sensors. We've seen so many DIY disasters come into our shop. Someone tries to fix a wheel but accidentally snaps the LiDAR cable or fries the motherboard. And the worst part? Misdiagnosis. Sometimes the error says wheel, but the real culprit is a faulty power chip on the motherboard. You buy a new wheel, install it, and it still won't move. Why spend your weekend frustrated and surrounded by robot parts when you could leave it to the pros? That's where RoboCare comes to the rescue. At RoboCare, we don't just fix the wheel, we perform a full diagnostic. We ensure the sensors are calibrated, the motors are synced, and the software is happy. Look at this DEEBOT we just finished today, from dizzy disaster to cleaning machine in no time. We use genuine parts and professional tools to ensure your DEEBOT returns to you in a factory-grade condition. No scratches, no missing screws, just straight cleaning lines and a house that smells fresh again. Check out this DEEBOT Y1 Pro Plus we just finished. It's a cleaning champion. No more spinning, no more shouting errors, just straight satisfying cleaning lines. Give your DEEBOT the professional care it deserves. Send it to RoboCare and we'll get it back on the straight and narrow. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.